In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split transactions on Xero, a process that, while simple, can significantly streamline your bookkeeping efforts. Whether you're dealing with expenses that need to be allocated across different budget lines, or you just want to ensure your accounts are accurate and up to date, mastering the splitting of transactions in Xero is essential. So let's dive in. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Xero website. On the top right corner of the home page, you'll find a login button. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure these details are correct and then click on the login button to access your dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, your next destination is the accounting tab. You can't miss it. It's one of the primary options on the menu. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can manage all your accounting needs, but for our purpose today, you're specifically interested in the bank accounts section. Now, under bank accounts, you'll find the manage account option. Click on this to proceed. It's here that you'll begin to see the specifics of your bank accounts linked with Xero. After navigating to manage account, the next step is to select reconcile account. Reconciliation in Xero is a powerful feature. It allows you to ensure that your business's financial transactions are accurately reflected in your accounts, matching your real-world income and expenditure. Once you're in the reconcile account section, look for the find and match functionality. This is a particularly handy tool when you're trying to split transactions because it enables you to search and identify specific transactions across your account history. When you've found the find and match option, proceed to select the transaction you wish to split. Xero's user-friendly interface makes it easy to browse through your transactions, so locating the one you want should be straightforward. Upon locating your desired transaction, it's time to execute the split. To do so, you'll notice a split button associated with the transaction. Clicking on this button will initiate the process. Here's where you'll need to be a bit careful and attentive. Splitting a transaction means you'll have to allocate the original amount into two or more separate entries. Each of these entries can then be categorized differently depending on how you need to allocate the funds. For instance, if you're dealing with an expense that partly belongs to office supplies and partly to travel expenses, this is where you make that distinction clear. In splitting the transaction, ensure that the sum of the split transactions matches the original transaction total. Accuracy here is key to maintaining a clean ledger. Throughout this process, Xero provides visuals and prompts to guide you, ensuring that even those new to the platform can follow along without feeling lost. These images and cues are designed to make the experience as intuitive as possible, helping you to accurately and swiftly split your transactions. Now, why is this process so important? Splitting transactions helps in clearly defining and categorizing your expenses and incomes, making it easier to manage your finances. Whether it's for tax purposes, budgeting, or financial reporting, being meticulous with these splits can save you a considerable amount of time and effort in the long run. Plus, it helps maintain the integrity of your financial data, ensuring everything is as transparent and accurate as possible. As you become more familiar with splitting transactions in Xero, you'll start to appreciate the flexibility and control it offers over your financial management. Little tips like using detailed descriptions for each split and reviewing splits before finalizing them can go a long way in making your bookkeeping seamless. Remember, practice makes perfect. The first few times you split transactions may feel a bit awkward, but with consistent use, you'll find it becoming second nature. And before you know it, you'll be splitting transactions like a pro, ensuring your accounts are always precise and up to date. So that's how you split transactions in Xero, a simple yet powerful way to keep your accounting in check. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has shed light on how to make the most out of your Xero experience, allowing you to manage your finances more efficiently and effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will help make managing your business's finances a breeze.